Okay, so hello people, so today we'll be solving LeetCode daily question 2966, that is divide array into arrays with maximum difference. And in this we'll be given an integer array nums of size n and a positive integer k, and we have to divide the array into one or more arrays of size 3 satisfying the following conditions. That each element of num should be in exactly one array, and the difference between any two elements in one array is less than or equal to k. Okay, so we have to return a 2D array containing all the arrays, and if it is impossible to satisfy the condition, we have to return an empty array. And if there will be multiple answers, we can return any of them. Okay, so in the first case, what we can do, we are given nums as 1 3 4 8 7 and so on, and the maximum difference between any two elements of the array could be two only, at most two. Okay, so what we can do, we can simply divide the array into these things, that is 1 1 3 3 4 5 7 8 9. And on this you can clearly see that if we pick up any two elements from a this array like 1 1 3, the maximum difference between which we'll be getting is 2 only. Okay, because 3 minus 1 is 2, again 5 minus 3 will be 2, 9 minus 7 will be 2. Okay, so from here what we can get a hint is that we'll need to sort the array basically. Okay, so and we have to return a 2D array. So now let's start by sorting the array first. Arrays dot sort nums, and let me just zoom in. Yeah, I have sorted the array, and now let's have an answer array. Okay, of size new int. Okay, and it's obvious that we have to divide the array in size of 3, and in most of the test cases, in all the test cases, we are having the length of the nums 3, so we don't have to verify that condition, or even if you want to, you can verify, but that will be of no use. Like if we say that if nums dot length mod 3 is not equal to 0, we have to return an empty array, but there are no test cases which are related to this. Okay, so and now let's have a answer new int of size nums dot length by 3. This is obvious because we have to divide it into subarrays of 3 length, and so the total subarrays will be forming will be of the length nums dot length by 3 only. Okay, so just a second. Okay, and let's say, and we have to form the subarrays of length 3, so the length will be of each subarray will be 3. Okay, so now let's start by traversing into the just a second. Yeah, and now let's start by traversing into the array. Let's have a iterator that I will be listing nums dot length minus 2, because otherwise it will be when we'll be checking the condition that if my I and I plus 2th element, it should be less than or equal to k, otherwise it will go out of bound. And what we have to do, we have to increase the iterator by 3. Okay, because we don't have to check all the elements. Now uh, let's have the condition that if my nums I, let's have the modulus of this, absolute value of nums I minus nums I plus 2 should be less than, okay, I guess I deleted a, yeah, should be less than or equal to k. Then what I have to do, let's have a variable index idx that is equal to 0, and then I'll be traversing in the that particular subarray which I have selected, that j will be equal to I, j less than or equal to I plus 2, j plus plus. Okay, so now what I have to do, I have to store this answer and the this subarray into the answer. So what I'll be doing, I'll be taking I by 3, because this will be giving me the index of the row. Okay, and I'll be doing I index, okay, idx plus plus, because I'll be incrementing the index simultaneously, and here I'll be storing the nums j. Okay, and then I'll be just okay, so if this condition is matched, then I'll be adding it to the array. Else what I have to do, I have to return an empty array new int of empty size, and now let's just return the answer array. Okay, so now let's run it, and it gets accepted. Now let's submit it. and it works perfectly fine. Okay, so this was for today. Thank you for watching.